G'day and welcome to Friends of Oris. I'm Smithy and I have my technical expert with me, Warren. How are you, mate?
I'm fine, how are you all? It's great to be back again and talking about our favourite subject.
Today we're going to be talking about the Oris Diver Titan C small second range. It comes in two sizes, the 44 and the 47mm. Warren, how about you take us through a couple of the features? So
first up we're going to talk about the 47mm. It has a full titanium case, has a ceramic bezel which looks fantastic. It has a domed sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating on the inside. The watch is rated to 1,000 metres water resistance. It has a thickness of 16.7mm and when it's mounted on the titanium bracelet it weighs 178 grams.
Now the movement it's running in there, Warren, is an ETA 2836-2, which has been rebranded as an Oris 643, which is the same movement which is used in the other two small seconds, the orange and blue dial small seconds. Right. It has a 38-hour power reserve and 27 joules. Now this watch is a little bit more expensive than the other diver small seconds in the range, but that's because it's got a fantastic ceramic bezel.
That's correct. It makes it scratch proof. It just has a wonderful classy look about it, the way it reflects the light. To me it looks a little bit like hematite.
Definitely. Yeah. It has a gorgeous finish to it. And that full titanium case, again, differentiates it from the other two small seconds in the Oris range. It has a gorgeous warmth to it, that case, Warren.
It does, and it is just so light, you know, even on the bracelet it just feels so light in your hand. On your wrist you hardly even notice it's there.
So there are two, the 47 and 44. Warren, they almost look identical. What are the features, apart from the obvious size difference, that can differentiate these two?
They both have that wonderful ceramic bezel, as we've said. The main difference is visually in the dial. The 47mm has a wonderful inner bezel that is like stainless steel, and also the ring around the small seconds is also like a silver stainless steel, and that just sort of adds a dressy element to it. You know, it just has that little extra bling to it.
Yeah, you're very right. It's a sport watch that you can wear in the boardroom. It's a fantastic design for that.
It's great.
And on the 44mm, that inner small second ring around the small second is a darker colour.
It is. It's just basically the same colour as the dial itself. And the same with the small seconds. They haven't differentiated the ring around it.
The obvious difference between these two watches and the other two small seconds in the range is that the movement has been rotated 90 degrees. And I believe it gives the watch a bit better balance where that small second is located.
That's right. They've dropped it from around about the 10 o'clock position down to a bit below the 9 o'clock position. Because the other thing with these two new ones, that ceramic bezel just looks fantastic, and I think it is a step up in quality for Oris that I think we should see rolled across the board in the future. You know,
definitely. Well, that's all we've got for today. Keep the questions coming. Be active on the forum, and I'll see you guys out there on the net. See you later.
See you next time, folks.
I promise this time, no 7 takes to say perspex.
Perspex. It has. It's just not
full titanium case. You're right there. It was perfect. He's on it.
Yeah. So we'll start out talking about the 47mm diver. 47.
It is 47mm, isn't it? You're lucky we can edit the shit.
I know.